was the moment.
Yes, welcome. We are here in the Enjoy Your Rides Villa.
Boah, allez froid. Allez, ultra froid. Yo. Der Butler hier, oder was? Essen will, muss auch am meisten tragen, habe ich gehört. Ne? Wow. Awesome. Ach no.
Huh? Enjoy Your Rides Festival. Today will be the greatest show of all time here in Barcelona. La Poma Bikepark. It's organized by Luke Quadflix. Main sponsor is Rehall. Let's see the insane show. That's actually Tim the Soldier from Germany, so back off. With Hugo Canal, we need an interview from you, Hugo.
What's up, dude? We're here in Enjoy Your Rides Festival. It's gonna be epic in here.
Yeah.
We're gonna see some crazy tricks right now. Like here, Nicolas.
Nicolas, insane.
And some friends.
Insane.
All countries in here in La Poma Bikepark. It's gonna be super good, man.
Live interview. What's the vibes at Enjoy Your Rides?
It's crazy, I love it. Now the sun will be not here, we can start the sesh and it will be a good session.
Send some cool stuff, clean tricks, combos.
I hope.
We have pads today.
Now I have pads, so
Oh!
it will be interesting.
I can't wait to see what you can do with pads.
I hope I will push some banger and enjoy the session.
Enjoy your ride.
Thanks.
Come here. Do you have a lawyer for that case?
No, I'm completely fucked.
Show us like the most easy line you can do.
Just cut in what I do all the time.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Maxi Velo, here. That was a run with only 1 foot. Imagine if he uses 2. Imagine what he can do. We see some show from you, Maxi, or what?
I'll try my best, but I cannot walk, probably.
Just enjoy your rides, bro. Enjoy your rides. Hello, Mickey. What you doing here at Enjoy Your Rides Festival? You enjoy your sitting, or what you doing?
I'm enjoying the...
That's good, bro.
Yeah,
that's how you get warm. So get on your bike and do some bangers.
Oh my god.
All the people want to see some bangers, some steezy ones from Mickey. Let's go. Double get the money on work first. Let's go! Insane style on the big boy! 360 and Nicola. Yeah, big clap! Big whip! Power whip! Fusion! Woo! 3 gas! 360 on turn! And the double whip! Oh, Nico Trophy jumping in with the 360. Let's go! 3 double whip! Yes, Nico! And a funny huge neck back! Insane! This is risky business here, so at least make some noise! What the fuck?
Bit too much, baby.
And with the, oh no, look! Go again, you have to show us a flip double whip. For your right. Yeah! Okay.